Right, welcome back. What we want to look at is working on an electrical installation. Now, this is just for you to read, okay, and to make extracts from for yourselves. So please be aware of that. Now again, make sure you take down the information that's given, extract it. Okay, while it is on screen, it is not yours. By writing it out, extracting the information, you make it your own. Okay, you can then do additional research to make sure that the information you have received is up to date or as near as possible. Always check the information in regards to the IEE regulations and your on-site guide. Those are quite useful elements to have. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, I'll just go back a little bit, just make sure we get it all in. Okay. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, again, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.